Hello, dear student. Can you hear the interim examination knocking on the door? But I can hear a loud knock on the door of the interim examination. So I came up with a special class of management accounting for you. Dear student, I know you are busy preparing for the exam. I pray to Almighty Allah to keep you safe so that you can participate in every test in good health and you can finish every test in a healthy way. Many of you called me and asked about the exam in the inbox and in the online classroom comment box. Student, if you follow today's special class carefully from the beginning to the end, you will get all the information and will benefit. Student, at the beginning, I am giving you a brief idea about the structure of the interim examination. Student, this is the structure of the question. Look, Group A, answer any 8 questions from 10 questions. Marks 1 into 8 equal to 8. Group B, answer any 3 questions from 5 questions. Marks 4 into 3 equal to 12. Group C, answer any one question from 3 questions. Marks 10 into 1 equal to 10. Total marks 8 plus 12 plus 10 equal to 30. Time 1 hour. Student, I hope you understand the structure of the question. Student, at first I will show you a sample question of Group A. Group A, answer any 8 questions. Question, what are the elements of cost? Elaborate ICMAB. Elaborate IFAC. What is cost? What is prime cost? What are the elements of prime cost? What is cost sheet? What is the elaboration of CBP? Write down name of 2 irrelevant costs. Student, you must choose this type of short questions. Student, there are a few things you need to keep in mind before answer the questions of Group A. Number 1, you are taking the exam online. Number 2, the value of each answer is 1. Number 3, exactly 1 or 2 line is enough for the value of number 1. Number 4, don't write anything extra. Number 5, try to answer the questions of Group A in 1 page. Student, I hope you understand the sample question of Group A. Now, I am giving you a sample question of Group B. Student, you must remember before answering Group B's questions that each question has a value of 4 and you will give priority to math. Student, look, here is a sample question of Group B. Group B, answer any 3 questions from 5 questions, marks 12. Number 2, Faisal Chemical Limited, NU 2017 Part B, question number 9. Should the company accept the offer? Number 3, all future costs are relevant in decision making. Do you agree? Explain. Student, this is theoretical question. Number 4. The operating result. Mathematical problem. NU 2017 Part B, question number 4. Required number 1, PV ratio and fixed cost. Number 5, distinguish between differential cost and marginal cost. This is theoretical question. Number 6, Momo company has fixed expenses. Calculate the volume of sales. NU 2016 Part B, question number 7. Number 7. State the assumptions of cost volume profit relationship. Theoretical question. Question number 8. In 2016, Tanzim Company, NU 2016 Part B, question number 5. Determine Tanzim Company's operating income or loss for 2017. 9. Total sales of a production. NU 2014 Part B, question number 5. Determine Roman 1. Profit of the company. Roman 2. Total variable cost. Question number 10. The following information. NU 2015 Part B, question number 7. Prepare a cost sheet from the above information. Student, one thing is very important. You will try to do math without writing the answer to the question. Student, look, the solution of every mathematical problem except number 4 and number 9 is given in my online classes and also YouTube channel. Please follow the online class for better preparation. Student, now I will give you the solution of question number 4 and 9. These two problems are in the cost volume profit relationship, chapter 5. Let's go straight to the question. NU BBA Honors 2017 problem. The operating result of Nazia Enterprise are given below. Sales for 2015 and 2016 are Taka 5 lakh and Taka 8 lakh respectively. Profit for 2015 is Taka 1 lakh and for 2016 is Taka 1,75,000. Required Roman 1. PV ratio, profit volume ratio, and Roman 2. Fixed cost. Student, in the question, sales for 2015 is 5 lakh and for 2016 is 8 lakh. Profit for 2015 is 1 lakh and for 2016 is 1,75,000. Required 1. PV ratio and required 2. Fixed cost. Let's solve the problem. Required 1. PV ratio equal to change in profit divided by change in sales. Here sales for 2015 15 equal to 5 lakh. Sales for 2016 equal to 8 lakh. Profit for 2015 equal to 1 lakh. Profit for 2016 equal to 1,75,000 equal to change in profit 1,75,000 less 1 lakh. Change in sales 8 lakh less 5 lakh equal to 75,000 divided by 3 lakh. So 0.25 or 25%. PB ratio required to fixed cost equal to sales into PV ratio less profit. Here sales equal to 8 lakh. PB ratio equal to 25%. Profit equal to 8 lakh আমরা নিয়েছি 2016. So profit 2016 1,75,000. Fixed cost equal to sales 8 lakh into 25% less 1,75,000 equal to 2 lakh less 1,75,000 equal to 25,000 টাকা. Student, look, required one PB ratio 25% and required two fixed cost 25,000 টাকা. Student, here is the solution. NU 2017 part B number 4. PB ratio 25%, fixed cost 25,000 taka. Here is the solution. I hope you understand. Student, now I am reading the next question. NU BBA Honors 2014. Problem. Total sales of a production company is taka 2 lakh. Margin of safety is taka 8 lakh. CM ratio 40%. Determine Roman 1 profit of the company. Roman 2 total variable cost. Student, look in the question. Total sales of a production company is টাকা 2 lakh. Margin of safety is টাকা 80,000. CM ratio 40%. Determine Roman 1 profit of the company and Roman 2 total variable cost. Student, let's solve the problem. Required one, profit equal to MS, margin of safety, MS into CM ratio into CM ratio. Here MS, margin of safety, MS equal to 80,000. CM ratio equal to 40%. Profit equal to MS 80,000 into 40% equal to 32,000 টাকা. Required to total variable cost. Total variable cost. Required to total variable cost. Variable cost. Total variable cost equal to total sales into variable cost ratio. Here total sales equal to $2 lakh. Variable cost ratio equal to 100% less CM ratio equal to 100% less CM ratio 40% equal to 60%. Total sales equal to, so total variable cost equal to total sales 2 lakh into variable cost ratio 60% equal to 1,20,000 টাকা. Student, look, required 1 profit equal to MS, margin of safety into CM ratio. Here MS equal to 80,000, CM ratio 40%. Profit equal to 32,000 টাকা. Required 2 total variable cost, Total variable cost equal to total sales into variable cost ratio. Here total sales according to question 2 lakh, variable cost ratio equal to 100% less CM ratio, variable cost ratio 60%, total variable cost 1,20,000 taka, required 1,32,000 and required to 1,20,000 taka. I hope you understand. Student, now I will show you the sample question of group C. Look, here is the sample question. Group C, answer any one question. Marks 10. Mathematical problem, the following data. NU 2017 Part C 10B. Calculate break-even sales in taka, margin of safety in taka, annual profit, estimated sales of earn a profit of taka 50,000. Number 5, profit on sales of taka 4 lakh. Theoretical question, all future costs are relevant in decision making. Do you agree? Why? Sunk cost is a fast cost. Do you agree? Why? Mathematical problem, the following data. NU 2017 Part B question number 2. Required cost of goods sold. Mathematical problem, ABC Limited is a manufacturing. NU 2015 Part C question number 14. Required, show the offer. Should the offer be accepted? Mathematical problem, the following information. NU 2015 Part B question number 7. Prepare a cost sheet from above information. Student, you will try to do the math without answering the theoretical question. Student, the solution of this mathematical problem except question number 11 are in my online classes and also YouTube channel. Now I will give the solution of question number 11. NU BBA Honors 2017 for Group C. Problem. The following data is extracted from the books of Salda and Company. Annual sales taka 5 lakh. Margin of safety ratio 25%. Profit volume ratio 50%. You are asked to calculate. Number 1, break-even sales in taka. Number 2, margin of safety in taka. Number 3, annual profit. Number 4, estimated sales of earn a profit of taka 50,000. Number 5, profit on sales of taka 4 lakh. Student, look in the question. Annual sales taka 5 lakh. Margin of safety ratio 25%. Profit volume ratio 50%. You are asked to calculate Roman 1, break-even sales in taka. Roman 2, margin of safety in taka. Roman 3, annual profit. Roman 4, estimated sales of earn a profit of taka 50,000. And Roman 5, profit on sales of taka 4 lakh. Student, let's solve the problem. Required one, BP, EP, টাকা, BP in টাকা equal to sales into VEP ratio. Here sales equal to $5 lakh, VEP ratio equal to equal to 100% less margin of safety ratio equal to 100% less 25% equal to 75% equal to sales 5 lakh into BP ratio 75% equal to 3,75,000 টাকা। What? Two. Margin of safety. Margin of safety oblique MS টাকা। Margin of safety in টাকা equal to sales into MS, margin of safety ratio. Here sales equal to 5 lakh, MS ratio equal to 25%, MS ratio 25%. Margin of safety in টাকা equal to 5 lakh into 25% equal to 1,25,000, 1,25,000 টাকা। Student, look, required one, BEP in টাকা, sales into BEP ratio. Here sales 5 lakh, BEP ratio equal to 100% less MS ratio. BEP ratio 75%. Say BEP in টাকা equal to 3,75,000. Required 2, margin of safety oblique MS in টাকা equal to sales into margin of safety ratio. Here sales 5 lakh, margin of safety ratio equal to 25%. Margin of safety in টাকা equal to 1,25,000. Student, here solution required 1 and solution required 2. I hope you understand. Required 3, profit by annual profit equal to sales into profit ratio. Here sales equal to 5 lakh. Profit ratio equal to MS ratio into PB ratio. MS ratio 25% according to question. PB ratio 50% equal to 25 0.25 into 50% equal to 0.50 equal to 0.125. Profit equal to sales 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 0.125 equal to 62,500 টাকা. Required required sales in টাকা. Required sales in টাকা. Required sales in টাকা equal to fixed cost plus required profit. Profit divided by PV ratio. Here fixed cost equal to CM, contribution margin, less profit. CM equal to sales into PV ratio. Less profit. Equal to sales 5 lakh into 50% less profit. Required 3 profit 62,500 equal to 2,50,000 less 62,500 equal to 1,87,500. Fixed cost. Required profit profit equal to 50,000. PB ratio equal to PB ratio 50%. Then required sales in Taka, fixed cost 1,87,500 plus required profit 50,000 divided by PB ratio 50% equal to 0.50 equal to 2,37,500 divided by 0.50 equal to 4,75,000 Taka. Student, look, profit equal to sales into profit ratio. Here sales 5 lakh, profit ratio equal to margin of safety ratio into PB ratio. Profit ratio 0.125. Profit equal to 5 lakh into 0.125 equal to 62,500. Here the solution of required 3 and here is the solution of required 4. Required sales in Taka equal to fixed cost plus required profit divided by PB ratio. Here fixed cost equal to CM, contribution margin, less profit. Here CM, contribution margin equal to sales into PB ratio less profit. Sales 5 lakh into PB ratio 50% less profit 62,500. Fixed cost equal to 1,87,500. Required profit according to question 50,000. PB ratio according to question 50%. Then required sales in Taka equal to 4,75,000 and here is the solution required 4. Student, I hope you understand. Required five. Profit equal to sales into PB ratio less fixed cost. Here sales equal to according to question 4 lakh. PB ratio 50%. Fixed cost 1,87,500. Then profit equal to sales 4 lakh into PB ratio 50% less fixed cost 1,87,500 equal to 2 lakh. less 1,87,500 equal to 12,500 টাকা. Student, look, in required 5, profit equal to sales into PB ratio less fixed cost. Here sales according to question 4 lakh taka, PB ratio 50%, fixed cost 1,87,500. Then profit equal to 12,500. Here is the solution of required 5. Student, I hope you understand. Student, our special class ends here. I hope you understand and got all the information. See you in the next class, inshallah. All the best. Allah Hafiz.